In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make money in 2019 the easy way, the same way that is literally allowing me to earn over $2,000 in a single day.
Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another video. If this is your first time coming across your boy, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell to get notified every time I drop a new piece of heat. Now, this may be on YouTube, this may be in my Facebook group, this may be on my email list. Doesn't matter, you guys are all a part of the family, # Team Wolves Entourage. So in this video, the reason why I'm creating this video is because a lot of people have been asking me, what have I been doing to generate an income lately? And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys literally the simple system and setup that you guys can literally duplicate some of the results. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and show you guys some proof. Boom, behind the laptop. Now, if you look here, let me go ahead and refresh my Stripe account. The first important thing to realize is that the view test data. So view test data is not on me, and this is a live Stripe account. And that's 2,200. Yesterday we had a slower day, $0, but today we made $2,200. The reason why it's kind of sporadic is because it's high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So you can make in a day what some people make in a month. Now, just to prove that this is real, we're gonna go ahead and look at the time and date today. It's 11:46 a.m. Saturday, January 26th. And if we look here,